Hey everyone, Siobhan Moran here, Deriving for Your Success. And you ever get into a zone and things are just going along and you're either writing or creating or, your ads are working or your baking's gotten good or your financial flow is on track? Well, what happens when stuff F's with your success, your zone, your flow state, your Zen? Well, there could be a hurricane, there could be an earthquake, there could be a tornado, there could be, there could be something that pulls at your heart that you get sucked into. It could be social media, it could be a song, it could be an email, it could be you go down a little thread of curiosity and next thing you know it's 2 hours later, so you're just out of your zone, you're out of your flow, you're out of your focus. And we tend to have so much empathy for others, we forget to stay in empathy for the thing that we're here to accomplish. And with everything more available instantly, news, media, connections with friends and updates, we can over empathy, have so much empathy, we're actually getting out of our own focus, our own zone, our own flow, our own success. And that will stick us, that will get us stuck in the mud and away from what we're here to do. And everything on our phones pings us. The other day I decided to reorganize my apps on my phone, and I probably deleted maybe 10 apps that are useful, but I put them on another phone that I can go and check once a week. And I decided to reconfigure how emails come in, and so they're a little bit more filtered and they go into different buckets. And so that frees up a lot of space, a lot of time, a lot of oxygen. And so think about the thing that you get sucked into. Is it news? Is it weather? Weather is a big topic, and we can get sucked into the fear of weather patterns, or going down a curiosity streak of, where did that earthquake hit? Do I know anybody there? And then going into social media and checking on those folks. I mean, it's endless, right? So what are you going to do about it? So I'm standing in my backyard, barefoot in nature, and that's one of the things I'm going to do about it. I'm going to go to the beach. I'm going to walk on the beach. I'm going to look at the sky and the sun, bring some sunlight into my eyes. Those things get you back into your zone, your zen, your focus. And way back in the early days of doing videos, there's a video called Getting Grounded. Go watch that. That will help you get back in your zone. And check out SiobhanMoran.com for more cool things like this. But you deserve to be on track, in alignment, and doing what you're here to do. And then if you get out of focus, then you have some tools for it. All right, go to SiobhanMoran.com, SiobhanMoran.com.